Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about odd and even functions, their graphs and their properties. Even functions. A function fx is said to be even if f minus x equal to fx for every x belonging to domain of f. For example, suppose fx is equal to x square is a function. Now replacing x y minus x, this is minus x square, so this is x square, so this is fx. So you can say f minus x is equal to fx. Let us take another example. Fx is equal to cos x, or replacing x by minus x, cos minus x, cos minus x is cos x, so this is fx. So this is also even. Fx is equal to mod x. If replacing x by minus x, mod minus x will also be x, this is also, we can return mod x, so this is fx. So in this way, these are the examples of even functions. If we draw the graph of even functions, we will find that they are symmetric about y-axis. These are the three graphs of even functions. All these three functions are even functions and I have drawn their graphs. You can see here, this graph is symmetric about y-axis, means the portion of the graph towards the right side of y-axis is the same as towards the left hand side. Or you can say left hand side portion is the mirror image of right side portion. If you put a mirror here, you can check that this portion is mirror image of this portion. So if xy is a point on this graph, minus xy will also be there. Similarly, these two graphs, left side portion is the mirror image of right side portion, means they are symmetric towards y-axis. Odd functions. A function fx is said to be odd if f minus x is equal to minus fx for every x belonging to its domain. Domain means input value for which the function is defined. Let us take an example. Fx is equal to x cube. So replace x by minus x whole cube. So this is minus x cube or minus fx. So this is a odd function. Another example, fx is equal to 1 upon x. Replacing x by minus x, we will get minus fx. Another example, let us take fx is equal to sin x. So f minus x is equal to sin minus x or minus sin x, because sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. So minus fx. This is example third. Let us take fourth example. Fx is equal to x cube minus x. Replacing x by minus x whole cube minus x. So this is minus x cube plus x. If you take minus common, this will become minus x cube minus x, that is minus fx. So these are the examples of odd functions. Graph of odd functions. If we draw the graph of odd functions, we will find that they are symmetric about origin. For example, graph of the function fx equal to x cube is like this. Clearly this is symmetric about origin. If xy is a point on this graph, minus x minus y will also be a point on this graph. Similarly here, fx equal to sin x, this is also symmetric about origin, and fx equal to x symmetric about origin. These are the examples of odd functions. One more property of odd functions, if we rotate the graph of odd function anti-clockwise about origin 180 degree, its position will not change. It is like this. Now rotate it about 180 degree, this will come again the same position. Now fx equal to 0 is the only function which is even and odd both. Let us see how. Fx equal to 0, f minus x is equal to, we have replaced xy minus x, this is also 0. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So from these 1 and 2, you can see clearly that f minus x is equal to fx. So this function is even. Now multiply by minus both sides. So minus f minus x equal to 0, this is equation 3. So from equation 3 and 1, you can say minus f minus x, because right hand side are equal, so left hand side will also be equal. Or you can say fx is equal to, f minus x is equal to minus fx. So this is odd function. So clearly fx equal to 0 is odd function as well as even. The graph of this function fx equal to 0 means y equal to 0, or y equal to 0 means x axis. So इसका ग्राफ x axis होगा. Clearly you can see that this x axis is symmetric about y axis as well as origin. So fx equal to 0 is a function which is odd and even both. Suppose a function आपको दिया है, अगर वो even नहीं है तो it is not necessary that it will be odd, and if it is not odd, it is not necessary that it will be even. ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल से आप समझ सकते हैं. fx is equal to x cube plus 1. So f minus x is equal to minus x whole cube plus 1. So this is minus x cube plus 1. So this is not equal to fx. तो आप कह सकते हैं कि ये फंक्शन ना तो इवन है ना ऑड है. सिमिलरली fx इक्वल टू x प्लस 1, f माइनस x is equal to minus x plus 1. This is again not equal to fx. So clearly there are so many functions which are neither even nor odd. These are few graphs. fx equal to x plus 1 whole square. This is the graph of fx equal to x cube plus 1, and this is the graph of the function x plus 1. Clearly you can see that these three graphs are neither symmetric about y-axis nor they are symmetric about origin. So these graphs or the functions are the examples of neither even nor odd functions. Now properties of odd and even functions. This is the table in which I have taken two functions fx and gx. This is sum of or difference of two fx and gx. This is multiplication and division of fx and gx. and this is composition of fx and gx, means FOG and GOF. If fx and gx are even, their sum and difference will be even, multiplication and division will be even, and their compositions will also be even. If both are odd, then sum and difference will be odd, but multiplication and division will be even, and their compositions will be odd. If one of them is even and other is odd, then their sum and difference will be neither even nor odd, but multiplication and division will be odd, and their compositions will be even. These are the two examples of differentiation of two functions. If fx is even, then f dash x is odd, and if fx is odd, then f dash x is even. You can verify. Fx is even, it means f minus x equal to fx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So f dash minus x और x माइनस एक्स का -1 आएगा और एफ एक्स का एफ डैश एक्स, ये माइनस आप उस साइड ले जाइए, तो एफ डैश माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस एफ डैश एक्स. सो odd. Thus, if fx is even, then f dash x is odd, and if fx is odd, then f dash x is even. This also you can verify with the same.